above sea level. That's let's see, about 1,000, just over 1,200 meters above sea level. So that's where they really thrive the best. So these ones, again, these are the smaller Joshua trees. The big ones, those are the ones that can get over 40 feet, over 13 meters tall, about the size of a 4-story building. Those are the ones in Southern California. So here, we're going to be looking out to the right in about 5-10 seconds, and we're going to see that 300 to 400,000 Joshua trees, and then that beautiful mountain range out there. Those are the Grand Wash Cliffs, way out there to the right. So guys, that's going to be our warm-up for the Grand Canyon. We're actually going to see those same layers of rock when we're looking into the Grand Canyon. So that's going to be sticking out at you from the other side, but that's also what you're going to be standing on. So get those pictures of the Joshua trees. This is the best angle right through here, guys. We're going to make this turn, and right now we're only about 30 minutes away from the Grand Canyon. So guys, now that we've made this turn, these cliffs that are way out there ahead of us, these are our warm-up for the Grand Canyon. Like I said, we're going to see these layers of rock when we do get out there. So guys, it's time to start getting you prepared for just how grand Grand Canyon is. So ladies and gentlemen, there's a good reason we call this place Grand Canyon and not the average canyon or the mediocre canyon. This thing is spectacular. There's a reason I made it my office. So guys, what we're going to see today is absolutely massive. It is really hard to try to figure out a way to relate it to people as small as we are. We're nothing compared to this canyon. So guys, when we talk about how grand Grand Canyon is, when we talk about how big it is, when we talk about the length of Grand Canyon, what they're doing, they're measuring the river in the bottom, how long the Colorado River flows through the bottom of Grand Canyon. So down in the bottom, it flows 277 miles. So the Grand Canyon is 277 miles. It averages 10 miles wide and 1 mile deep. And that's the average. So guys, if you're on the metric system, that's 446 kilometers long. And along the course of that 446 kilometers, it averages 16K wide and 1,600 meters deep on average. And again, that's just the averages, guys, because keep in mind, it averages 10 miles wide, 16 kilometers, and its widest point, it opens up to 18 miles from one side to the other. That's 29 kilometers. It is monstrous. The Grand Canyon is so big. If you could find a way to take every single river on the planet and pour all of that water into the Grand Canyon, not only could it hold all the